You follow Microsoft's instructions. You download the official OSU1 file, and you think it's going to fix your Xbox One. But then nothing. Error after error. E101, E106, black screen. So what's going on? Why does the official update not work when you replace a dead hard drive? Let's find out. Here is an Xbox One that came to my bench with a dead hard drive. The only problem? The drive was completely gone. No partitions, no recovery data, nothing. So I installed a brand new HDD, prepared a USB stick with the official OSU1 from Microsoft's website, and followed every single step exactly as they describe it. And this is what happens. Every single time, same story. The console refuses to accept the update. Xbox One partitions the drive by itself. Scripts won't help. So here's what I found. I've sorted both versions of OSU by file size, just to make things clearer. This is the official OSU1 from Microsoft, as of November 12, 2025. And this is the full OSU1 update from the community. In the official update, as you can see, there are 10 empty files. And in the update from community, no empty files at all. Both folders have exactly the same numbers of files, 47. But look at this. The official OSU1 is only 4.42 gigabytes. While the full version is 6.72 gigabytes. Same number of files, but very different size. Interesting, right? And here's the truth behind it. Microsoft's OSU1 can only update an existing system. It cannot install one from scratch. If your original hard drive dies, or you install a blank one, the console has no system partitions to begin with. OSU1 has nowhere to unpack itself. That's why every update attempt fails. Only the full OSU1 update brings console back to life.